Good morning, winners. Welcome to Terri's Tips. Okay, guys, go get a notebook, go get a pen for real, y'all, because today is going to be a learning, teaching video. I am going to outline some of the best 0% APR business credit cards, y'all. Yes, okay, everybody should be running to go get their notebook and their pen because, guys, in this video, I'm going to outline how 0% APR works, the credit scores actually needed, how to get the best value, and then I'm even going to give you some specific cards, guys. And depending on when you're watching this video, I'm running a little behind schedule because I had some technical difficulties. I'm going to go back in and actually add the links for those actual cards as well. Guys, always check the descriptions of my videos. I add the links about some of the items I'm talking about the programs that I talk about, and I also include the email information and the links to actually contact me and my team directly. Always check the descriptions of my videos. Okay, guys, and if you are new, welcome. Guys, my name is Terri. I am a self-employed entrepreneur. I'm a mother. I'm a YouTuber. I'm an investor. But more importantly, I'm a personal and business credit guru. Guys, our channel is about leveraging your personal and business credit to build wealth. And I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. So I would love for you to subscribe. Guys, the likes and the comments help our channel grow. It's a great way to support. And if this information has helped you and has blessed you, I would love for you to subscribe, like, share, comment, hit that notification button. Still getting caught up on my comments, but I'm going to be getting to all of you guys very, very, very soon. Okay, guys, and I'll do my nugget at the end. So let's jump right in. So first, 0% APR business credit card. So first, guys, always have a business, okay? Especially if you don't want them to be checking your business credit and be reporting to business, right? So that makes sure that you have, your business registered with the state, you have your EIN, you have your DUNS, you have your business bank account, you have everything to be a legitimate business. Guys, I'm not going to go into all that in this video, but I will link my video on how to set up your business correctly in 10 days so you guys can make sure you have a legitimate business to get these business credit cards. Okay, so 0% APR. How does it work? So a lot of times these business credit cards will have 0% APR for an introductory, like an introduction period, usually 6 to 18 months, guys. And that 0% can actually apply to brand new purchases. It can apply to balance transfers, or sometimes that 0% actually applies to both. So it's important for you guys to understand the actual offer and the terms for the individual cards. Now, guys, for balance transfers, a lot of times, even with 0% APR, there's a one-time fee for balance transfers, usually between 3 to 5%. So keep that in mind because, guys, one of the reasons why I'm outlining 0% APR cards is because it's a powerful tool for leverage and also for building and also for strategy, guys. Literally 0%. Let me say it again. It's a powerful tool for leverage, for business credit building, and for strategy. And guys, if some of you guys are kind of overwhelmed with your personal credit and you have business credit cards at 0% APR, guys, you can transfer even debt from your personal credit to your business credit. Paying it down at 0% interest will save you thousands of dollars, and it also results in your personal credit having lower utilization, which means your credit scores increase, which means you then qualify for more financing, better terms, your cash out refinances, your home equity lines, your business credit, your FHA loans, your all of those things, right? So this is strategy for you guys. So 0% APR, 6 to 18 months generally. Sometimes, like I said, sometimes it'll be based on new purchases, sometimes on balance transfers, sometimes based on both. Now, credit scores needed. So guys, in general, I'm just going to say it, the higher your personal credit score, the more likely you are to get approved. It just is what it is. And guys, even though these are business credit cards, hear me, if you are a new business owner, new entrepreneur, new investor, maybe you are an established business but you were not using business credit yet, or if you don't have enough business credit established for your business to stand on its own, they will sometimes still check your personal credit. Some credit cards check business credit, some check personal and business. Now, a lot of times, because these are business credit cards, guys, hear me. I'm trying to look, you're going to learn today, okay? Hear me. Even though they're business credit cards, they'll do like a soft pull. So a lot of times it's not a hard inquiry, but they'll do a soft pull. So if you really want to maximize these 0% APR offers, one of the best tips I can give you is have your personal credit in order. Guys, I have tons of videos on personal credit repair, on getting delinquent items deleted, on getting inquiries deleted. Utilize that information and work on your personal credit. Now, in general, right, obviously a higher score, the more likely you are to get approved. A 700 and above is great. A lot of business credit cards will approve you at 680 and above. But guys, you don't have to be that perfect. Some of these cards will actually approve you at a 650. So I want you guys to have benchmarks. 650 and good, 680 and above, better, 700 and above, the best. Okay, so this is where, and also obviously guys, I don't want you to apply for something with a 680 and then you still get denied. It still depends on what else is on your credit report, but I want you guys to have a general gauge of where you actually need to be. Every now and then, some of them, like the Capital One, Sparks, and so forth, will approve you with a little bit lower. But guys, that's where you want to have also some business credit established also. Got it good. All right, so the best value, guys, when you're using a 0% APR card, the best value is if you're able to pay off the balance during that introductory rate, guys, that introductory time frame. That's a nugget, right? Because the whole reason why you're using 0% APR is that you don't have to pay a bunch of interest and fees and all these different things. And guys, let me pause right here and say something. A lot of these business credit cards, all of them, have other benefits, right? So plenty of these have rewards points. They have cashbacks. They have sign-on bonuses. They have hotel benefits, restaurant benefits, car rental benefits. Some of them have, things with like rental car companies, with Amazon. Like there's all kinds of other benefits for some of these cards, guys. But I'm specifically talking about in this video the ones that are 0% APR. But a lot of them have other benefits too. So another tip for you guys is to evaluate your goals, your spending, your time frames, and making sure you're getting the right card for your actual needs, right? And another thing to also note, guys, is that some of these cards have a annual rate, right? Like a annual fee. Guys, some have a high fee, like AMXs are known to sometimes have higher fees, but then their cashbacks or their 0% APR or their perks are really, really great. So I'm not always going to say that just because a card has the annual fee that it's a bad card. Guys, some cards are good, some cards are great, some cards are excellent. But this is where even if a card has a high annual fee, right? But then they have great perks, great cashback, great rewards. Let's say you travel a whole lot and they have a bunch of rewards and cashbacks and perks for hotels, for restaurants, for car rentals. Then a lot of times maybe that annual fee is worth it for you because you're somebody who likes to travel and all the travel benefits are great. Got it? That was a nugget right there. So these are 0% APR cards, but they have other benefits. So don't say, I don't want that card just because it has an annual fee. Look at all the other benefits and see what makes the most sense for you. Got it good, guys. All right, so the best value. So the best value is always if you pay off the total balance during that actual introductory time. So whether it's 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, some do 15 months, some do 18 months. Another thing right here, guys, the 680 program. If you are a business owner, if you have a 680 and above credit score, reach out to my team directly. I have a funding team that even though I'm outlining some cards right here, my funding team is literally will like go as a liaison and help you try to get some of these cards. Some personal, some business, some both, guys. Like literally one of my Credit Levels Lifestyle people just got 45,000. I think it was like earlier this week. What is this? Thursday, like Monday or Tuesday. Thursday when I'm doing this video today, guys. 45,000 in high limit cash credit cards with 0% interest for 0 to 18 months. Leverage. Strategy. So this is where if you need some help with it, you have that 680 and above, reach out to us. We do it initially as a soft inquiry, and then if you get approved for items, then those actual lenders are going to need to pull your actual credit depending on if you get approved for personal, business, or both, guys. And so my team is actually versed in finding the 0% APR cards. That's the thing that's the most value for the clients that I have and for real estate investors. So reach out to us directly. I'll put the link in the description. All right, back to the best value. So paying it off in full during that time. So let me give you an example. Let's say you charge $5,000, guys, on a 0% APR card. And let me write down everything. Okay. And let's say it's 9 months. 9 months, 0% APR. You charge $5,000. This is where if you want to pay it off during that time frame, I think it's like $556 a month you need to pay for it to be paid off in full during that 9 months for you to like beat that beat the time frame where the actual introductory offer is going to revert back to the normal rate. Guys, after the introductory rate, the 0% APR for 6 to 18 months, then the credit card is going to revert back to the actual rate, the normal rate of that card, which can be anywhere between 10 to 12% up to like 25 to 30%, right? So pay attention to the actual rates of these cards, guys, okay? So if you have $5,000 and you have a 9-month 0% APR, you're paying $556 a month. Now that same $5,000, let's say you got a credit card that's 0% APR for 12 months, then you only need to pay $417 a month. So guys, budget, so that whatever you're putting on these cards, you're actually taking advantage of the benefit of the cards at 0% APR, and you're paying it off in full during that time frame. Another nugget right here. If you know you need to pay $417 a month to pay it off in full for 0% APR, guys, set your auto pay. Set your auto pay for that actual time frame and for that actual amount, that way you can pay it off in full during that introductory rate. Got it good. And then some of the cards, though, I wrote these down because I'll forget. So the first one is the AMX Blue Business Card. Guys, that one has 0% APR for 12 months and 0% annual fee. Let me give you another pause right here. There's all this debate, guys, about the best business credit cards. So hands down, the Chase Inc. cards, guys. And Chase Inc. has multiple kind of levels to their cards, right? So Chase Inc. cards are kind of known as like an industry standard. However, nugget right here, a lot of times the Chase Inc. cards are hard to qualify for. So when I'm saying the best business cards, in terms of you being able to get it approved with not the best credit or being a new investor or a new entrepreneur, the Capital One Sparks and then the APM Blue Business Card are two of the really good ones, good business credit cards, because you're much more likely to get approved with them over the Chase Incs that are like an industry standard because of all their benefits, all of their perks. Got it good, guys. All right, so the next one is the Discover It Everyday card. That one has 0% APR for 12 months. And then after that 12 months, guys, it reverts back to the actual regular rate, which is anywhere between 13 to 21%. Guys, I wrote these down because I'll forget which ones to give to you guys. All right, and then the Lowe's, the AMX Lowe's business card also, that has 0% for 6 months and also a 0 annual fee, guys. And then also the Bank of America, the Bank of America Business Advantage Travel Rewards MasterCard. That one specifically, guys, has 0% APR for 6 months and then 0 annual fee also. Guys, a lot of these cards have cashback rewards also, anywhere between 1% up to like 6%. So check. So when you guys are getting 0% APR and a sign-on bonus and cashback rewards, or you're getting rewards points, or you're getting no annual fee, guys, the business credit cards are powerful tools for leverage, for options, for opportunities to liquidate down payment money to contractors, to transfer debt from your personal credit reports to business credit cards. So I'm out into the business credit cards. So I'm outlining these items for a reason. And I think those are the ones I want to outline that right now that they're actual 0%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll add these 5 cards to the actual to the description of this video when I get a chance. I have to run out real quick and do an appointment. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's recap. In this video, I explained to you how 0% APR works. I explained to you the credit scores needed for 0% APR. I explained to you how to get the best value and give you an example. Then I outlined some of the actual cards. Guys, as always, this information is at the time I'm doing this video. These companies sometimes change their criteria, their bonuses, their structure based on what's going on financially in the climate, and also based on the quarter, guys. Based on what quarter it is. So a lot of times, to be honest, like third quarter, when you get kind of closer to like, the end of the year, they're going to kind of like restructure how they've done. And sometimes they'll make the requirements to qualify lower or higher. So as always, when I'm giving you guys the links, go on the links and look at the information about the card. Look at what they're listing on their website about what you need to qualify for the card. Compare the cards, guys. And then when in doubt, pick up the phone call and say, listen, there's 3 Discover It card products on here, and I'm looking for one that's specifically 0% APR. Can you outline the differences for me? Can you tell me the minimum credit score? Are you checking personal or business credit? Are you reporting to business credit? So if I use this card, am I building up business credit? Guys, you are business owners. So I want you to be resourceful, and I want you to make educated decisions. Got it good. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. The best 0% APR business credit cards, guys. And for my nugget, okay, hands down, the people that are wildly successful and that have the results are the people that learn to execute at a high level. That's it. Literally, guys, how many videos, how many webinars, how many master classes, how many trainings, how much coaches, how many conferences are you going to go to? There's people that keep on getting the information, but at the end of the day, I don't care how great the information is. If you don't execute, you're not going to have results. So the people who have the great results get all the information, they execute. And guys, my channel, this is videos. It doesn't get any easier than that. You don't have to read a manual. You're not doing a workshop. You're not doing a study guide. Literally, all you have to do is press play, listen, write down an action plan, and then actually execute. Guys, the videos, hands down, even my Credit Lovers Lifestyle course is a series of videos. There's PDFs and all other things too, but it's videos. You just have to watch. It doesn't get any easier than that. So look at your lifestyle, look at your goals, look at where you are now, and then say, why haven't I gotten there? And if you haven't gotten there because you don't have a plan, watch some videos, but make a list of to-do items and then actually execute. Guys, everybody on this video, I was gonna say everybody on this call, everybody on this video, set a goal to do one thing for your business, one thing for your finances, one thing for your credit, one thing for your goals a week. One thing a week. Guys, in 60 days, you will have 8 things done, tangible things with the actual result for your business, for your goals, for your investing, for your multiple stream of income. And guys, and that creates momentum and you'll do so much more. But can you do one thing a week? One real thing, not just researching, like an actual action item. Like, I'm actually going to get my website. I'm actually going to incorporate. I'm actually going to get my DUNS number. I'm actually going to do 3 vendor accounts. I'm actually going to apply for a business line of credit. Do one tangible thing per week for your goals and watch how successful you be. And look at the outcomes, guys, okay? So the people who have the results are the people who execute at a high level. Got it good, guys. I hope that was helpful for you. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and have a super amazing day on purpose.